The roots of Bendix King were founded in 1959 by Ed King Jr. as King Radio. Ed handmade the first low-cost 90-channel crystal-controlled VHF for light aircraft. That same year, he set up for mass production in an old dairy farmhouse on the outskirts of Kansas City and continued to climb to become the major supplier in the light aircraft avionics field. The creative atmosphere at King Radio has yielded many important firsts, with significant operation and cost breakthrough while reducing size and weight. Many of the Bendix King products produced in the 1960s, 70s, 80s, and 90s are still being used today.
My name is Joe Braddock. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Southeast Aerospace, based out of Melbourne, Florida. We offer a unique combination of sales and service and repair and installation and manufacturing. We're finding today that many of the pilots and aircraft operators are definitely watching their budgets more, of course, because of the economy and the general state of the world and the current situation. So there needs to be more cost-effective solutions for all operators.
My name is Rick Garcia, President of Gulf Coast Avionics in Lakeland, Florida. Gulf Coast Avionics does aircraft installations of avionics, instruments, repairs, and we sell equipment all over the world. Customer service is probably the most important thing in the business. We need a manufacturer to be able to support us, to provide on-time delivery, and just help us, service the customer.
Lead times and delays from manufacturers is a significant problem for dealers as far as trying to sell products, install them in a timely manner for pilots. And we've definitely found that Bendix King has always given dealers their support that they need to make sure they have the products when they need them for the customers. We have a very productive and professional relationship with Bendix King over the years because of the commitment they have to customer service and integrity, and that goes hand in hand with the same aspects that Southeast Aerospace performs on an everyday basis as well.
My name is Glenn Gordon. I'm the president of the Sherpa Aircraft Manufacturing Incorporated. We're here in Scappoose, Oregon, and we design and build a off-airport heavy-duty bush plane. One thing that I know that you can depend on when you use this Bendix King line that we have over the years, that it keeps working. The approach to the way they set it up is simple, it's direct, and it's not a complicated setup to try to learn how to run the equipment. It's really basic, good, solid stuff.
Basically, the ease of use is very important to a pilot. You don't want to make it so complex that they're too busy trying to figure out how to work the equipment. That takes more time and more distractions away from the pilot to be focusing outside the aircraft. So the simplicity of using the equipment is a great benefit.
The Bendix King products have always been very straightforward and easy to operate. When an aircraft operator or pilot decides on what avionics system to put in their aircraft, there's many factors that they need to consider. Supportability of the product, the warranty, how a dealer's able to support it at their particular airport or out in the field. We've found that Bendix King over the years has really given the pilot and the dealer that relationship as far as being able to support the products on the ground without having to ground the aircraft and send the parts back to the manufacturer all the time if the warranty situation does occur.
Just an automatic an assumption that what you get from them will be top stuff.
They've done a great job in the past, and I'm sure they'll be doing a great job with the new line of avionics they come out with.
We welcome and look forward to some of the new innovations and the new products that Bendix King will be announcing in the coming years, and definitely feel there's a need out there for more practical, affordable choices for pilots and aircraft operators, and we're looking forward to Bendix King bringing those to the market.
Bendix King, back to meet your avionics requirements. And we want to hear from you. Talk to us about how we can serve you. At Bendix King, we're listening.